Welcome back to Surround Scent, where I teach you to elevate your surroundings to a sanctuary through the magic of fragrance, using candles, colognes, and car scents. Now, today I'm bringing you my first impressions of the new Mont Blanc Legend Red. This is the newest addition to the Mont Blanc Legend line. This particular fragrance is giving you some spice and some citrus in the opening, some florals in the mid, and some aromatics, and a dry down of some tonka and some woods. So without further ado, let's check it out. And instantly I'm getting that burst of aromatics from the lavender. I'm getting the apple and pineapple in there, so some fruits. I'm getting the sweetness from the tonka and a little bit of spice from the cardamom. Definitely a nice fragrance. I gotta see if it gets sweeter on the dry down, but I like it so far. Check out the channel Surround Scent for the full review.